Today we have the 2022 mini hatch Cooper SE. This vehicle has done just under 20,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, hands-free calling, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Above we can see that we have our heads-up display, and on our screen we can access our media, communication, map and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle we can see that all of our seats are cream leather and get a good view of our panoramic roof.